Hey guys, it's Little Flame, and today we are going to do a desk tour. Now I have to admit, it might be too early for me to do this since usually people do desk tours when fans request them. But the reason why I'm doing one is because I'm going to be moving soon and I wanted to capture memories of this wonderful setup that I've put so much love into. And might come off as basic, but I really like how it turned out. I wanted to share the space with you before it is all gone. First, let's talk about the desk and chair. I've had this for almost a year. I went with a standing desk in white. My chair is a Fern digital knit office chair. The chair, I feel like I need to make a separate video about. On the side of my desk, I have some decorations and a printer. Moving on to what's on my desk. On the left side, I have some sticky notes, my microphone when I'm not using it, and a tissue box. On the right side, that's where I keep my lighting for Zoom calls or to make videos. I also have 2 mouse pads because I tend to eat on my desk a lot and have tea and coffee. So I like to have one just in case for that. I used to have like a computer setup for years, but since I started traveling more, I found that having a powerful laptop for gaming and work works best for me. And sometimes, I won't lie, I work on the bed. When it comes to my laptop, I'm using an Asus Strix Scar 15 2022 gaming laptop. The mouse I use is a lightweight gaming mouse by Cooler Master. Now, there's one thing I have to admit I'm a little bit embarrassed about, and that is my headset. I absolutely love this headset. It was a gift from my partner, but unfortunately, it's starting to come apart. It still works perfectly fine, but I don't think the material is holding up pretty well. Rest in peace. On the wall, I have 2 posters that I designed. If you're interested, you can find them on my Etsy store. I'll put the link below. But you know what's the best thing about my office space? It's the view. It's so beautiful. My partner found this amazing apartment location. It's almost like a landscape painting. I always had a dream of having a door that opens into like a forest, like in the movie Narnia. And this view is a dream come true. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Let me know how I can improve on my setup. If you think it's fine as it is, your feedback is always appreciated. Take care, stay tuned, stay flaming.